Today we're going to be entering a IP address onto a small desktop Kyocera copier. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go over here to the system menu button. The LCD display is going to be a little hard to display, so forgive me on this. Basically, once we hit the system menu, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to scroll down to the number 3 option, which is going to be the system. Once we have system highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. Once we click OK, it's going to ask us for a user login and password. Basically, from here, we're just going to have to cycle from the username and the password, and we're just going to have to enter it. Username and password are both going to be admin with a capital A. So you can see I have my username field highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come over here to the number keys. And what we're going to do is we're going to have to toggle, we're going to have to cycle through until we get to the capital A. Once I have the capital A showing, I'm going to go ahead and type in the rest, which is D, M, I, N. So admin with a capital A is the username. Now we're going to come down here to the login password, and then we're going to click OK again, and then we're going to cycle through and type in the same word. So it's going to be capital A, D, M, I, N. Once we have admin typed in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. And then we're going to come down here to this button, and this is going to be the login button. Once we've logged in, the very top selection, the very first selection on that screen is going to be network setting. Once we have network setting highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click OK again on the TCP IP settings. One more time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down one to the IPv4 settings, and we're going to click OK. First thing at the top of the list, we're going to notice that DHCP is listed. By default, these machines will be on DHCP. So if we're setting a static address, we will be turning this off. So what we're going to do with DHCP highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. And then we're going to scroll up and we're going to tell it to go off. Once we have off highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to select OK. That will show a completed list, and from there we can scroll down until we see IP address. Once we have the IP address highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. And then from here we can type in whatever manual IP address that we want. Today we're going to be typing in 192.168.0.87. Let me get here, 192.168.0. For testing purposes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to select OK. After we've entered the IP, we're also going to need to enter a subnet mask. We're going to click OK. We're going to type in 255.255.255.0, and then we're going to select OK again. After we've selected that, we're going to scroll down one more time, and then we're going to hit in the default gateway. Once we have the default gateway highlighted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to select OK. And then we can manually type in our default gateway settings, 192.168.0.1. After we're done with that, we're going to select OK, and it will say completed. Once we're done, we can go ahead and we're going to select this button, which is going to be our exit button. At this point, what we want to do, just to be on the safe side, is we want to go ahead and power cycle the machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. I'm also going to pull the power cord, and I'm going to count to 10 before I plug the power cord back in. Power cord's going back in. I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on. At this point, the IP address settings that we entered should have set in the machine. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and print a status page, and we're just going to verify those settings. Once the machine is booted up, once again, we're going to go to System Menu. We're going to select OK. For the first option will be Report. We're going to select OK. Let me just zoom in on that. We're going to select OK. For the report, we're going to select Report Print. And then we're going to scroll down once, and we're going to select Status Page. Once we've selected Status Page, it will ask us a yes or a no, and we will have to enter yes right here. Once we've entered, press the yes button, the machine will go ahead and print out our status page. Once we have our status page loaded up, you can see that in my columns, I am going to have my network settings all ready to go. Network LAN interface statistics, and you can see right there I have my 192.168.0.87 subnet mask and my gateway all programmed. So we definitely want to print out a status page just to verify all of these settings are correct.